Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. Step 1, go to settings, and then from this general page, scroll down to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on erase all content and settings. And as you see, this will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this phone can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone, like apps and data, my Apple account, and also find my iPhone. So all you need to do, click on this blue button, continue, and follow the process. Personally, I will not do it because I'm not looking to erase or to factory reset my iPhone. And this is how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.